a quant surveyor for Akito Consult. Actually, we are the supervising consultants to this project. This project has been completed, but unfortunately, we had some defects. That is the roof. Roof year. So we came back and asked the contractor to come back to site. In fact, he started to do something on it. He ripped off the whole thing and did his repair work. But unfortunately, he has not been able to finish it. We have been pulling him for some time now. We've been calling him. Now we are not even able to reach him. So that is our major headache now. Project in the only way, I hand you over. But unfortunately, you know, as soon as 2 years. And every project will be a defense liability period that within that period, no. If we have any defense, you have problem of one. Also back now repair. Obey repair works now. But we need to 2 years no. Your friend contractor no back. He started with something or started a bio too soon and cover be complete no. But for some we don't know. You need me see.
For how long now?
For like 3 months.
Yes, February.
Yeah, for like 3 months now. Okay. From February. Yes, for like 3 months. Yeah. You're fully contractor now, my.
Farm call one answer.
See, I carry a friend crying, you know.
The phone do switch off.
Echo, but on fire.
Serious.
That is our problem here. So we are back here to assess and make all necessary assessments now.
And as I say, you say we're rainy season.
Yes.
You know, on farm call and again, I'm here.
That is our problem.
Emergency.
So right now, that is why we are here today. Me with my colleague. Okay. Yes, we are here to assess what is happening.
Assess and go.
Immediately, we'll make sure say the necessary authorities they work on it for us to get this thing prepared as soon as possible.
Okay, nanka project you nanka duration no nanka time ben expect sanke be handover.
Handover nka ya.
My okay.
I handover did that.
Okay.
And I make us a project after every project in Biano, we hand over. You have 6 months as a defense liability period. Until within that 6 months, if there are any issues on the building, the contractor will come back to do it. So that is what we are experiencing now. Okay. So right now, no contract and retention, it's seated in the government's account. Until so we will not pay him the retention, but we will give it to another contractor to finish it.
Okay. So when are we waiting? Till say
as soon as possible, because this project need the MTA just to
contractor no fee buy munya no
we. I'm go through the due process.
Okay. Then they know where the contractor is.
Of course. We have written letters to him. We have done that. But the person police arresting. We just have to take another step to make sure that this thing is done.
Okay.
As soon as possible.
And that means we're breaching the contract. I'm gonna call you.
Of course, if he is supposed to do only your story, it's your buyer definitely he is at fault. Okay. Yes.
MC or aware near Koso.
Of course, everybody is aware of what is happening. The headmistress is aware.
Okay. And MP too.
MP. Yeah. Yeah, definitely he'll be aware.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Assemblyman Larteh, Asante de Akanchane Lecturer Larteh Kubase.
So far, yaba do school be ni na ho nsam te say.
School ye Larteh Presbyterian Senior High Technical School. Na school ye maybe I was to see a new site. School no this the campus no okrum. But you say school no any man there continue. Aban no amaya asase say ye relocate to new site. Into ye hire new site nyame ya doma afi say school ni na move and as a first year for no e move ba hanmo.
Na you share state of the building no eba anishen na abc.
Blog here classroom blog. Na contractor na CVA mo hand over to the municipal assembly. Now mo say hand over na there's a period be a say wash say bibia nsia na officially now say we adwuma. But it's unfortunate say 6 months now so na nsu kasi bi toy on the February 10 February and nsu ni toy na dan so tui any nyina ntu by say na isi tui na say consultant na hwe na wo tu so no ye na yiye because it affected the other side no nti contractor be tu so nyina no de mia be go so if you anu achi be sin ne head business friend no consultant friend no government officials friend no the phone obia report to say on fa be sin ne ayi jira busisi ayi
just assemblyman man was in the anamontobe na nso etu because 3 months now on fa na obia so ti wana say yes on fa na then e pa chire
me luckily no beside staff ɛwɔ school mu hɔ meyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ nti headmistress movement bi a mene na ɛkɔ MC ɛyɛ aware MC yabaha MP yɛ aware yɛ kan no say assembly engineer yɛ no na the things are so every day everything by almost saa na mo na almost fra ono so mfa
nti mu twɛn sɛ dan ni mu ngu ansa na ma yɛ bibia no
ana mo na yitu no me gye di sɛ yɛ ni tumi sɛ bɛka so bia bɔ so ana so bi yɛ ni bibi ni nyina wa ban nsɛm ana sɛ consultant no be ma fa na this is say baby edu no yɛn fa mo bi foforo no to aso we the school na sɛ me assembly no de yɛ ni sa tumi ni sɛ yɛ ne yɛsesa contractor na sɛ bibi sa nti nyina na ebetumi aya ne sɛ yɛ di achi a yɛ gusu frɛ consultant sɛ no mo kasa aban mu mpanifo headmistress ta call ministries e de ho pictures na yi kɔ
no mo nya ho hwe
ɛnya ho mo nya ho hwe be sin dɛ
nti o final word
ne sɛ baby edu no sisi a no esane sɛ new side blogger yestima yenti no this year first year for no ye ma yen nkwala bebre esane sɛ omo be start from this site ɛna form 2 for nso bo fie sisi a omo be replace form 2 for no old site ho esane sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wo ba ha asana form 2 for na ba ya sa form 2 for no ba pɛ congestion be ba the existing campus ho nti yesre papa say say dan go yetumi boso na nkwala no form first year for no free existing campus no no mo ba ha ansa na on the 26th or 25th no form 2 for no aba say ansa me pre beba say nge de say ma fidi enso di akire pa aba mo mpani fo hwe obi bia hwe bi the stage of the school no sisia no saban ya ntu na nsi form no anhwa no ma be see e was existing campus no within a month to say a week no e den say me be bo man yi mu me da ma say so me dey say baby e gina yi ye kwan a wo hwe me be nkubu so a kwan e twam yi e kɔ dodoa e pie madina e kɔ Accra street sana kwan net sana tia ka bia to me fa so this is saloon cars na to me fa so enti say kwan we aban bia behwe enti say kwan we to me demu a e could be Accra and as Madina did say we so any better and I say no be between akoso krum ha sa kwan ya nso elenkitu ekwapem ampon eno so atise ya ka bia betuma afaso na mum akoye say municipal assembly na nkasa no niam a kan yi asabi as assembly man no anamo tu papa bia ntumi fa kwan yi ho anamo a meka ne say obeka ho asem engineers be ba so every time be ejina na ejina o hwe mini fan so nso a echo new site of Pretoria Senior High Technical School na me je di say mo hwe kwan no mahu nyame adom aban ya my bus kase pa be say 2 weeks ago na wo hwe kwan ya bus no entumi nkoda enti bus no sisi ano ewo existing campus ho a ye dey running school wo by new site ya pa de entumi mba enti ya kwan Larteh as a whole ne de ya kwan totally zero kra ya famode aye ya tu ho anamo bibia amba enti ne yere kan say as assembly man no obi anyame nkuto meye ye organize demonstration serious one demonstration because akrokro no ye beba adoso nti say ante ntesuko kwa nchira ban na ye na as assembly members no nkofo ye di ehwamo ye di omu hwamo asa ne ye kase ye be ne ntumi nye nti oman ni nyina bebo aye community no mrante ne maba na nanom so yabo mama ne dada ye be ye demonstration at municipal assembly ho na kopie aban mu ankasa ewo Accra nti demonstration enche ye de honkra tabeko police station be bibia said ko bia no ye de be ko be mama so ate na demonstration ban so abatumi abe capture na o man nyina hu o hawa yewum ewo Larteh nti demonstration be ba so me man for ready say demonstration no yenye nti ye be ye nso na kwan no Larteh kwan nyina say mpamocho mumianhwe bibi kakra say Ekwapim North Municipal Assembly no yakati ono bebre mu ye ne okrefo bohye nje ni say modwuma mo yenti mo nante bebre mo hu say na okre aye ukọ Dwabin South ye no bo ohye ewo my 50 utra Ekwapim North ewura mu pe obehu say ho nso nsakraba oba se ya Ekwapim South utra obosomase na ukọ pe obehu say wewura new era mu ofri ye ne shaifo nso bohye ewo Larteh se hayikuma dodo aside ho unya tra Larteh na odu ho pe bones a horse ya kama. Na dey tin equipment no funkuto ya to. Means equipment no assembly ya very weak from MC coordinator and presiding member. Nyina ye weak as a me assembly member na ye no mu ye dwuma they are weak. Engineer can say demonstration no ye beye.
Okay.
Me ma example bi say ofa koforo dua kwan obehu say enye within the equipment of Shamango ase kwan asay from Larteh Junction to Larteh to Aikuma atete kra dent no kre akoso equipment south akoso shai ekoso Drabin south ekoso na yen ya hye mfimfiri as equipment north ya gidin equipment fu ya wie ne say kru na poto Larteh entirely our road network very bad.
Okay, aside aside Okwan school, what's a problem then or
problem na ne se meka ya kwan ye enti ya ma bi papa bia emma krunum sa kwan ya obeba na we bia se hotel bio se adwuma bi we bio akwan no nye sa kwan ye nsuo so de eno de omo se pipelines break ni den ye bu nsuo na ne be se agu no ye bebre nto bugu so o ma start lay new pipes nti eno de me mfa nye ne omo ye no ye count on omo promises ne omo ye no nti ye hwe edu ba bi no so na nwe se omo gya ya na ya no so aka ho asem mo manfo nyina ate.
Okay.
Yo baby e gina ye Salvation Army school GHS primary school combined na me di say baby a mo hwe a dan so atu no baby a na primary school be say na GHS a ye di abamu no ho no fon wanfo no hye ho GHS so atu from that February 10th for now PSTS then so sada na we su tu they said the next step school no any assembly ya 200 more bebre as at now say na esi hu no effort to be a enyambai o he metri ha e dan we so atu ya o toilet ma he the nature of the toilet and kwala no use a e ye den e kwapin of ye be koso abom atia bibia ni ho no report o meye o be suma abehwe ba hwe fibumba o be kasa ensi o he metri ha on completed building 2 and also DHS 3 and 2 and 3 one was for us to no and also baby esi no saa na esi baby e ho na aka Salvation asoro no bo omo community individuals e bo omo na se e kwa aban ni mu a sa school pa de aban no sheda ntu ana mo bia emfa Salvation school ho eti individual na e bo na be sere sa na school den aye almost 4 months to 5 months a nkwara na tim ye kwa mu se nkwara na tedan nim obu si na den so to Larteh hansu so to dey serious as I said pa ni no be si no e do so na the nature of the school nkwara so na nam boy obu timu sa nso yi mu na pa say master kwa che no teacher from nyina ho ache no e che omo nti mesre na na mo bia mo betu aboa yi bia ma Larteh issues especially sa school we ya abandon school na che nti mesre mo bebre say Salvation school e wo Larteh abandon fa na ni che ha na nkwala titrifo wa ban mu nyina school na nkomo kwa so no dan mu otrom e na ye de ba ha nti wa titrifo mo mpanifo na ko school Salvation e wa Larteh ha ye de ba ha no mo no school bia ye se kwa ban mu a kuro na moa no aban no emfi se Larteh nkwa na te sa ado no ye de ma se